Hello folks, fellow YouTubers and friends, I'm back again. It's only been about 30 or 40 minutes ago that we made a couple of videos. One was me showing you how I made the ugly escapements, how they worked and operated. And then I made another video. We were going to try to get it to run itself, but if you'll notice close to the end of the video, when we finally got the thing up to where it would kick the escapements, Francisco missed his cue and it actually came up and hit the escapement and it wasn't loaded, which slowed everything down, and then the thing kind of sort of went haywire. Well, we've been studying this machine over and over again and we kind of halfway figured it out. As big as it is, as heavy as it is still not solid enough to manage the type of forces that it's putting out and we're putting in. If you'll notice, I'm shaking this thing by hand and it's twisting around. Can you see that? Right here, I'm just pushing it right here. And the whole daggone thing is just rocking and rolling like crazy. So we're gonna have to stiffen this thing up and brace it out more. Guy named Electrician, I think it's 275 or whatever, he noticed my using of the bar joist, and he suggested gussets, which is the type of bracing, and I think he's right. we're gonna need to do something, that's for sure. Now, another reason that it failed is we didn't notice that the rollers that actually guide and hit the pendulum and supposedly center it, well, we put a level across here and there's 3/8 of an inch out. So in reality, it was actually pushing it to one side. When it come down, it would actually push it toward me. And the other end, we checked it, and so help me if it isn't out the exact same, pushing it again to this side. I mean, so we really messed up. Machine did not mess up, we messed up. Okay, oh, and by the way, after we made the other failed video of trying to get it to run, we tried again and I forgot to turn the camera on like a dummy. And anyway, the second attempt did the same thing because we didn't realize that the rollers on the escapement were off center themselves. They were actually pushing the pendulum off center. So the second attempt, it pushed it off center so bad that it actually started beating against the frame and busted, actually tore up, broke the all-thread rod, the 3/8 all-thread rod, and there's the pendulum down there. So it's going to be a little while before I make another video of this machine because I don't want anybody getting hurt. 145 pounds of lead slinging through the air at about 30 miles an hour rip a man in half. So we're going to redo the pendulum. We're going to get rid of this flaky all-thread rod, and anyway, I've made a lot of mistakes on this machine. Machine works. It works great, too good, I thought, in fact. Oh well, just thought I'd let you know that I'm not perfect, and I don't know, let me see if I can get this to zoom in on that. There you go. Anyway, back to the drawing board. Machine works. It's just that we're building it too damn crude, and too light, and too flimsy. I figured 5,000 pounds it wouldn't be so damn flimsy. Well, we're not going to add more weight. We're just going to add more braces and get it more solid. I don't know exactly what we're going to do, but we're going to do something. We got plenty of steel. We got about 20 tons of steel laying around here. I-beams out the yin-yang, bar joists like you wouldn't believe. 2 or 3 welding machines, cutting torches. We even bought a plasma torch to help us build this thing. So give us some time. We'll get her fixed up and we'll get her going again. But we're going to use a whole lot different design pendulum and a lot sturdier swinging control on it, and something to keep it in line. Thanks folks, appreciate you watching my video, and bear with me, we'll get her done.